أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Hello everyone, welcome all of you in our channel Students Chrome. Today our video is about what is the best way to read research paper. In this video we will guide you about the details and the best way to read a research paper. So let's start. First of all, if you are new, you will need the research paper. Use the Google Scholar to search for the research articles. First of all, you should will go to the website Google Scholar. Here is the website Google Scholar. Here you will search the article related to your topic. First of all, for example, I enter a topic here, that is cell membrane. We search it, so it will show us different types of articles related to the cell membrane. These are the articles. Now you will search for those articles which are 10 years back. These are since 2021, 2020, 2017. You can get the custom range from this year to this year, so you will search for that. Let's suppose I search for from 2001 to 2010 and I will click the search button, so it will show me different types of articles published in between these dates. When I click on these articles, they will open it for me and I will download it. If it is paid articles, we can use the website name Sci-Hub, from where we can download it. After downloading the articles, we will open it in a PDF reader. Here is one of the article. This is article in vitro antimicrobial analysis of aqueous methanolic extract of crowd saponins isolated from the leaves and roots of XYZ plant. So we will download the article, and now how we will study it, we will go through the process. In this way, after downloading the articles published in years back, and then we will download the latest work also. After downloading the article, first of all we will open it and read the abstract in the article. Then we will use papers which are nearly 6 to 10 years old to get an idea of the development of the topic in the question. We will keep in mind the question, and then we will read it and focus on the problem statement, methods, advantages and drawbacks. I will suggest you that read the introduction thoroughly. Abstract gives you an idea of the paper upon the question that you are thinking of, but the introduction gives you a broader perspective, a broader concept. So read the introduction very carefully. There you will find different types of concepts about the topic, so read it in a patient. Then there have small goals. If you are just a beginner and you have recently entered the world of scientific research, materials that you read can be mind-blogging because you would not understand a word and relate anything to it. So don't give up, read it, take help from professors or experts. You don't have to read an entire article in a day or in a couple of hours. Invest a good amount of time and start with reading one page per day, so it will improve your reading skills. Now note the points with yourself that you have read in the paper. Write down in bullets the points Write all the points in your own words that you have understood. If you are reading the paper in parts, this habit is very useful. You read it in parts, mean read the abstract first, then you can go for playing games, etc., and then come and read the introduction. Also, it is the first step to learning the scientific writing, and when you try to write based on your understanding, you will know exactly where you don't understand the topic. So write it in points for yourself to understand. Now the next point is that do not continue reading a paper if you are having a trouble understanding a particular part. Do some background study to see if you can figure out the solution to your problem. If that does not help, ask an expert to help you. Don't take the interpretation of the data at their face value. Build up your own understanding upon papers. Exaggerate in data interpretation. There you more interact with the people, better you will be in judging and interpreting data on your own. Now we will go through a paper. This is the paper. Here is the abstract. First part is the abstract of the paper. We will know about the abstract. First we will give a glance to the abstract. In abstract you will find in detail but in a short way about the papers. In order to overcome antibiotic resistance, plant provides source of discovery to new antimicrobial drugs. The study was carried out. Each and everything you will find in the abstract in a short but in good words. Then there will be introduction. In introduction there will be a overview about the topic. There will be a type of literature survey. There will be material and methods they have applied. You should read it. Phytochemical screening, isolation of crude. As this article is related to pharmacognosy, you have to download articles from famous journals having a good impact factors. There will be results and discussions. From result and discussion you can get an idea what they have done in the research, and there will be a topic for the next researcher also, so you can do research on that too. Here we see this is the study provided as a base for selecting this medical plant species for further phytochemical and pharmacological evaluation. Underway for further biological evaluation in our research laboratories. There is other contributions. So read the article in a better way. First of all, you should start from the abstract, give some time to the introduction, then methods, then you have to study about the discussions and conclusions. You should read all things. Thank you. Subscribe us if you like our video, and comment the topic which you need and how we can improve our channel. Please give us idea. Thank you.